we start our third day in Lisbon in Time Out Market. Well, we usually go to markets just to try food, but after last night we are probably too destroyed. Guys, Giovanni is starting the day taking a beer.
Alla nostra, Mike.
The only healthy person in this group.
So the only person that sleeps.
It's like 11 AM or 12. What time is it?
Che ore sono?
Sì.
1:20.
In English.
Aspetta, 13 hour and
1:20. So we wanna go up to the castle, but there are very few steps. Do you feel great about it, Giova?
Yes. Huge ass.
You jazz? Okay. That's the purpose of this vacation, having a nice ass.
Very faticoso.
Tiring.
Tiring. We just had a very quick lunch and now we are heading to the castle. So we went up to the castle, we wanted to see the view, but the cost is 10 euros, therefore we're gonna go check a church.
And now our love will make us so much better. There will be no more lonely nights. Baby, if you let me try, I'll give you what you want. Here comes the down times when you go blind. You say that I'm just wasting my time.
So we just got the best panoramic view of the city and my friends are ordering some drinks. I think I'm gonna order some hot chocolate because it's getting very cold. Gio, a beer?
Beer.
What about you?
Coffee.
True Italian. So we are leaving the panoramic view in front of the church. I'm falling down and I took a hot chocolate in summer because this place is so windy. Let me fix the light. And I needed to be a bit warmer in my body. This city is full of beautiful places and surprises. It's really worth to come here. I hope you will come in less windy days and warmer days. But as you can see, my friend Giovanni is getting naked.
Leva la felpa, metti la felpa.
He just took out the sweater and is gonna put it back on.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying.
So we're going for some early dinner. Here.
Ragazzi, buon appetito. Buon appetito. E vuole assaggiare un pezzo di pollo?
So the restaurant where we ate was one of the worst ever because the food was pre-cooked The food looked good, but it was so bad. The other bad news is that Giovanni, where is Giovanni? Here, tried to do the check-in for tomorrow's flight and he has got no seats. It means that the flight is overbooked and we really need him to go back to Rome as soon as possible because he needs to work on Monday. I will try to exchange place with him so he can go to work and I can stay here.
You started a fire somewhere deep in my mind. See the barbed wire, the place is grown all wide.
Ho messo tu qua. Però io ora devo andare. Devo andare dopo.
They invited me to go drink with them and eat with them and the camera is not on focus. So I do not know what to do. I probably should go home. I'm not sure I trust them to go eat and drink with them, and having this situation here is pretty weird. So yeah, they seem like very good people, but there is always a bit of a fear. So I will take a lime and go back to my friends. They are waiting for me and I'm not sure if they are scared that I'm spending time with homeless people, but I mean, they were kind. I gave them some euros. Okay, let's go back to them and later we'll probably go to some discos. So probably that's it for today. Thank you for watching, keep reading and believe in your dreams. Ciao guys, do not forget to buy some of my merch to support this channel. Thank you so much for watching again. Ciao.